PPA stocks analyst says the Philippine capital market remains the most competitive in the region. This despite suffering heavy losses during the past few days. This report.
The capital market needs to consolidate itself at least before it goes up again. Stocks analyst Francisco Leboro says the stock market needs to form a base for it to remain stable should another sudden pull-out will happen.
The market needs to build a base before it can go back up to where it was before. So that, and there's another correction, there's another profit taking, at least yung base, that will prove na hihinto na yung selling dyan na at that point maraming pumapasok. Support yan, support base. Right now, the market is still looking for a support base. We don't know, it was supposed to have been 6,700, 6,500, 6,300. Now they're saying baka 6,100. So until the market can determine for itself, okay, where the base will be, it's hard to say na tapos na yung sell down, tapos na yung retreat. It's hard to say na, oh, babalik na tayo sa dati. Hindi, kailangan muna tayo magkaroon ng base. And that's what the market is trying to do now.
Leboro explains that volatility is the hallmark of the market nowadays, and the outflow of the so-called hot money or the short investment by foreign funds is inevitable. Which per PSE data, hot money is still in the market today and will be prone to sudden pull-out sooner than most of the analysts know.
The ones that left were the ones that probably parked here temporarily because the market wasn't good in the States, the market wasn't good in Europe, but now that it's improving, lumabas kaagad sila. Okay, so those are the temporary, those are the really hot money that was not really meant for here, but decided to, that we had good value then. And I expect that there will be some funds again, rotational funds that will come back into the region.
Local money invades the capital market today with at least 55% of the total market share, 45% from foreign funds amounting to 200 billion pesos. And Leboro sees no urgency for foreign fund managers to take those out from the market. Furthermore, the Philippines capital market remains the most competitive market today with at least 16 times more than the other economy.
The U.S. economy will eventually go up because that's the biggest economy in the world. Europe will eventually recover. Panlaban natin is growth. At the end of the day, the U.S. economy will grow 2, 3, 4%. And if we can stay growing at 7%, 6.5%, 7%, we're still growing better than them. Our corporate earnings, if our corporate earnings continue to stay in pace, then fundamentally will be relatively cheap, compared to the rest of the region. So it really is a matter at the end of the day, economic fundamentals and corporate fundamentals. So long as we stay competitive, not too overvalued, then I don't see why the global fund managers will not come back here simply because we'll be performing better than most other markets.
Reporting for the People's Television, I am Sam Ramirez.